How is the oil shock causing a $45 billion rupture in the economy? 2026. How is the oil shock causing a $45 billion rupture in the economy? This sudden crisis threatens your wallet and could disrupt markets globally, making it urgent to understand what's really happening now. The latest oil shock has caused a staggering $45 billion rupture in the global economy. This figure, reported by the Wall Street Journal, reflects the combined impact of soaring oil prices disrupting supply chains and increasing costs for businesses and consumers alike. Companies in energy-intensive sectors are seeing profit margins squeezed, while inflation pressures rise worldwide. This shock is not just a number, but a real financial strain felt across industries and countries. The rupture disproportionately impacts sectors reliant on oil, such as transportation, manufacturing, and agriculture. Rising fuel costs increase operational expenses for airlines, shipping, and trucking companies, leading to higher prices for goods. Consumers see direct effects at the pump and indirect effects in the rising cost of everyday products. This ripple effect strains household budgets and challenges businesses trying to maintain competitive pricing. Underlying the $45 billion economic rupture are supply constraints from key oil-producing regions and escalating geopolitical tensions. Production cuts and instability in the Middle East and other critical areas have tightened supply, pushing prices upward. This supply-demand imbalance creates volatility and uncertainty in global markets, amplifying inflationary pressures and disrupting economic recovery efforts after recent global challenges. Economists and market analysts warn that this oil shock could continue, prolonging the $45 billion economic strain. Persistent high oil prices risk slowing global economic growth by increasing costs for businesses and consumers. Inflation may remain elevated, prompting central banks to consider tighter monetary policies. The uncertainty around supply stability means markets could remain jittery, making it crucial for policymakers and businesses to prepare for ongoing volatility. For individuals and businesses alike, managing the impact means focusing on energy efficiency and careful budgeting. Reducing dependence on oil through alternative transportation, conserving energy, and planning expenses can help mitigate the shock. Staying informed about market trends and policy changes will also be essential to adapt quickly. The oil shock's $45 billion cost is significant, but proactive steps can lessen its bite on your finances. What this means for you is clear. Rising oil prices are not just corporate news, but a real threat to your daily expenses and financial plans. Understanding the $45 billion economic shock helps you prepare for higher costs at home and in business. Stay tuned to Daily Q&A for updates and practical tips to navigate these turbulent times. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay ahead.